Thank you. Okay. All right, Courtney.
Yes, ma'am.
I am trying to find how to get back live and off of
Go back to your Zoom.
oh, okay. Okay. Isaiah, is that Thompson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You were just watching a non-tech person trying to find how to get live on here. So sorry.
That's fine.
I'm going to read the docket, officially read the docket, and then I'll visit with you first. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the court docket for August the 4th, 2021 is in session. We'll call the names. If you have logged on or on the phone, please let us know. If you're having trouble with that, if you will contact the court. So we'll start with case PD 27449 of Cameron Michael Adams. PD 27449 is also another charge for Cameron Adams. The next one on the docket is PD 27061, Cullen Cole Birdwell. And then we have a Justin Jeremy Broussard, PD 27488. Kennedy Brown, PD 26893. Cases 1 and 2. Charles Stephen Corrali, PD 27493, 1 and 2. Christina Renee Kramer, PD 27451, cases 1 and 4. Michael Dwayne Dolly, PD 26873, cases 1, 2, and 2. We have Martha Ann Dennis, PD 27483, cases 1, 2, 3, 4. Lindsay Renee Dobbins, who entered a plea before the docket this morning, and so we'll continue to the next one. Terrell French, PD 27073, cases 1, 3. Tracer Allen Hinserling, PD 26882, cases 1, 2, 3. Kelly Nicole Hernandez, PD 27477. Jessica Maxwell, PD 27455, case 2 and 4. Destiny Alexander Montez, PD 27448, case 1 and 2. Luis Fernando Ramiga, PD 26874. Ashley Sly, PD 27475. 1 and 2. Mackley Stidham, Stidham, PD 27467. Cases 2, 3, and 4. Jacinda Marie Thibodeau, PD 27474. And cases 1 and 2. Isaiah Adam James Thompson, PD 27487. And you are here?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And that's cases 1 and 2. And then we have Allison Rose Van Belson, PD 26464. All right, Isaiah, it is Isaiah, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, do you know why you're here today?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
You got 2 citations on in May, middle of May, one for expired registration and one for your restriction of your driver's license. And I need a plea. You were supposed to contact us within 10 days to get a plea, and I haven't heard from you. So that's what we're here today.
Yes, ma'am. I plead guilty.
Okay, I need you to actually enter one on paper. I think she sent you, don't we? We can do it. She sent you a packet like this. Do you still have that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there a place on there that, is there a sheet there that has a plea sheet like that?
The
Yeah.
green one?
Yes. All right. So are you wanting to, if you look on that sheet, there's a place to do a mail order. Have you read that sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
There are a couple options on there for you. So there's a place there for you to do the mail appearance. You could take once you fill it out, you can take a picture of it or Zoom it or send it, not Zoom, excuse me, screenshot it and send it via your email, which is on the top of there, or you can mail it in, but we need that plea. So what I'm hearing say that you're wanting to enter a plea on both of those charges of guilty, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So there's a place there where you need to do, I hereby enter a plea of guilty. And do you have the money to pay this? How do you want to take care of this once you enter your plea?
I get paid tomorrow, so I could pay it off tomorrow.
All right, on both of them?
Yes, ma'am. What's the total?
Pardon?
What would be the total price for me to pay?
7.
It's $327.
Yeah. So have you gotten your car registered?
Yes, ma'am. Cause I had called up there after everything happened, and they told me if I had sent in a copy of my new registration and like $20, I would have to pay $191 in total.
Well, that's correct. So did you do that?
No, man, I did not pay it, but I did get my I do got a copy of the new registration.
Do you so why didn't, if they told you that would get all this money off of here, which is $156, would only cost you $20, why didn't you follow through, if you don't mind me asking?
I have no idea, honestly.
Well,
it just went over my head.
I like the honesty. If you'll send us a copy, I will take that under advisement, and look at it and see if we can, when you got it, the date that when you got it,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I'll see if I can reduce some of that down. But in the meantime, if you'll pay on the restricted license one, which is 171, can you do that on your payday tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am, I can do that.
All right, I'm gonna let Courtney visit with you on how you want to set that up or how you want to do that. Courtney?
Hi, Isaiah.
How are you doing?
Let me take this off so you can see. Okay. Do you have a smartphone where you could take a picture of that plea form once you fill it out and get that back to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You'll just need to fill that out, sign it, give me a good address, contact information. And then if you want to take a picture, you can email it to me. My email address is on that form at the top right.
The at court@woodville-text.gov.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to go ahead and also send me a picture of your registration the same way with that email, then I'll have both of them to present to the judge and she can make her decision. And then I'll email you back what your final total is.
Yes, ma'am. I can do that for you.
Okay, that works.
Right.
So how I know I can't ask this, but you're old enough to follow through on your responsibilities because then they grow.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any other questions?
No, ma'am, I don't.
All right, if you do, there's also a phone number that you called in that you did today. There's a number on that green sheet and you have our email address. And so just ask if you have any questions. But it's best, hopefully you won't get any more of these, but it's best to take care of them within that time frame. And then there are other options you can get done. But you can go on and log out of the Zoom, and then I'll finish up with some others. So,
Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you.
you're welcome.
You have a good day.
You too. All right. Hearing no other defendants on the cases for FTAs for the Woodville Municipal Court docket on August the 4th, I will declare a issuance of arrest warrants for the other individuals that did not log in today. So it appears like we have 2 on the docket. All right,